Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you how I earned 500 Canadian dollars. So follow me step by step. Easy and simple. This is something that anyone can do, so don't miss this opportunity. I'm going to leave a link card up here so you can click and access VanHack's website. Create your account, get your invite link, and share it with as many friends as you want. So go find all your IT friends, help change their lives, and get closer to get your 500 Canadian dollars. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.